going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Can You Feel the Love Tonight from the new Lion King movie. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or else I'll stick my man's Zazu on your ass. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Alright guys, so this song is pretty easy. You're going to start in standard tuning. You're using a few different chords, and if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the description below. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's a great resource for any guitar player of all skill levels. It has all the major chord diagrams in there, so if you need that, jump in the description once you get done with the video and go get your free ebook. So the structure for this song is also pretty simple. You're starting with an intro, then you got the first verse, first chorus, second verse, second chorus, key change, chorus, and then chorus out. So the chord progression for the intro is going to be F major, 1 3 3 2 1 1, C major, 0 3 2 0 1 0, B flat major, 0 1 3 3 3 1, and you really don't even have to play the E strings, the top or the bottom one. You can just play 1 3 3 3. Then you're going back to F, back to B flat major, back to F, and technically right here they go to E flat major, but you can just skip that because it goes E flat major, F, G minor, which is 3 5 5 3 3 3, and then A minor, which is, you can play it here, it's going to be 0 0 2 2 1 0. So it looks like that leads right into the chorus. So it's all single strums. I'll do it one more time for you. Or not the chorus, that leads into the first verse. So it's all single strums. It leads into the first verse. It just goes through one time. Here it is again. So that's your intro. There's no singing or anything there, it's just kind of musical. After that, it jumps into the first verse with Timon and Pumbaa. It's going to be, you're using B flat major, F, you're going to be using a C, you're going to be using G sharp minor, or G minor again, that's 3 5 5 3 3 3. You're going to have a D minor in there, which is 0 0 0 2 3 1. And you're also going to be using that E flat, which is going to be X 6 8 8 8 X. These are also going to be basically single strums because it's just kind of like talk singing over it. So it's going to be single strums for the chords, and it looks like this. It's going to be, I can see what's happening, and they don't have a clue. They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. So that's B flat major, F, B flat major, F, B flat major, and here's the bottom line. It goes to D minor there. Fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. So trio is G minor, 2 C major. I can see what's happening, and they don't have a clue. They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. It's the sweet caress of twilight, there's magic in the air, and with all this romantic atmosphere, it stays there. Then you go, that's when your E major comes in, disasters in the air, back to C. So B flat major, F, B flat major, F, B flat major, D minor, E flat major, C. I can see what's what's happening. They don't have a clue. They'll fall in love, and here's the bottom line. Our trio's down to 2. Sweet caress of love, magic everywhere. With all this romantic atmosphere, disasters in the air. So that's your verse. Your chord progression for the chorus is going to be F, C, D minor, B flat major, F, B flat, C, B flat major, F, D minor, C, B flat, F, G sharp, B flat, C. So it looks like, can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. So all its living things. Can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening brings. The world for once in perfect harmony with all its living things. So that is your chord progressions for the verse and the chorus. The only thing that changes is when we hit the key change in the second chorus, and it's jumping up a whole step to, so you're going to start on G major. It's going to be 3 2 0 0 3 3. Then you go into D major, 0 0 0 2 3 2. E minor, 0 2 2 0 0 0. C major, 0 3 2 0 1 0. Back to G. Then to C. And then to D. So the first half is G, D, E minor, C, G, C, D. Then you go in C, G, E minor, D, C, or C. You can play it that way. That's a C at 9. You can play it that way if you want, but C, G, E minor, D, C, G, A minor, 0 0 2 2 1 0, C, D. So altogether it sounds like, can you feel the love tonight? The peace the evening So that's the key change for and the chord progression for the chorus. And the very ending with Timon and Pumbaa, it's the exact same thing as the chorus, except the very last chord progression changes a little bit, so I'll show you what that looks like. Starts with the same thing as the chorus. And if he falls in love tonight, it can be assumed his carefree days with us are history. So that's all the same, right? Then you go A minor in short, our on G, pal on D is doom, C, G. So in short, our pal is doomed. So the whole thing looks like this. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.